In a world where project chaos reigns, clarity often feels like a distant dream. HYPERVSN faced a daunting challenge in managing their projects and communicating updates. Their resources and tasks were spread thin across various tools, creating a tangled web of complexity. Too many processes clouded their vision, making it impossible to track progress effectively. Despite trying popular tools like Asana, Jira, and Trello, their struggles continued unabated. The user experience of these tools failed to align with HYPERVSN's unique workflow preferences. Frustrated by an inflexible system, their teams felt lost and unproductive in their roles. Without visibility or easy access to vital project information, efficiency was a constant battle. These challenges held HYPERVSN back from unleashing their true potential, hindering growth and innovation. Isn't it time to discover tools that truly empower teams? Real change is just around the corner.